going today, everybody? Welcome back to Troy's Hobbies. Today we're going to be hitting the skate park with our Arrma Senton 3S BLX. The weather is still nice and warm for another week or two before fall sets in and the kids are back to school. So it's a perfect opportunity to take advantage of the empty skate parks. So let's get out there and send our truck. Right on the roof. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for the Arrma Senton 3S BLX. My motor came loose, so I'm going to have to fix that. I'll have to check my slipper clutch, check some things in the drivetrain, make sure I didn't lose anything serious. I think the pinion just slipped when the motor moved, so that should be the only damage. We'll get back to the studio and we'll check it out. So let's go ahead and cut back to the studios, and we'll do our final thoughts for the day. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today with the Arrma 3S Senton BLX. We went to the skate park, just like we did with the Associated in the previous video. We sent it really, really big. This truck is not as much of a stunt truck as the Team Associated. But what this truck excels in is hang time. It was like the king of hang time. With the big body on it acting like a parachute, it really would catch air and sail and hang. So that was a lot of fun, just letting it hang out in the air like it does. It did end up shifting the motor on the motor mount a little bit, so I'll have to get in there, readjust my mesh, readjust my motor tightness, and everything should be good to go after that. As hard as we were sending it today, for it to come out relatively unscathed is pretty awesome. So I just want to give a big shout out to Arrma for making an awesome truck. Tough as heck, man. Good stuff. So that's going to be it for today on Troy's Hobbies. I just want to say thanks for everybody for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like it. Subscribe if you all are new. Don't forget to follow us on our social media on Facebook and Instagram at Troy's Hobbies RC. And we also have a website, troyshobbies.com, where you can find event information and other types of things as we update it. So we'll just say thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Later.